This week I am testing the Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule. Does have a step-up thing. The boot door of the Volkswagen Tiguan opens really nice and quietly at the touch of a button and closes that way too. Now underneath the boot floor you do have a spares wheel, which is fantastic, and let's find out how the Thule range of prams fit in the boot of the Volkswagen Tiguan. When the boot of the Volkswagen Tiguan is empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Volkswagen Tiguan with 2 shopping bags. The Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 2 shopping bags. And the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and bassinet will fit stacked in the boot of the Volkswagen Tiguan with no shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 2 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 Double Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels removed fits in the boot but with no shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring Lightweight and One-Handed Folding Stroller fits in the boot of the Volkswagen Tiguan with 6 shopping bags. Or 2 90-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags will fit in the boot. Or you can fit your medium-sized dog in the boot. The front of the cabin in the Tiguan is really nice and comfortable. The seats are very comfortable, and you can also adjust the headrest, which is a fantastic feature. They go backwards and forwards as well as up and down, so you can have a ponytail while driving the Tiguan. And one of the things I'm not a huge fan of is this panel on the dash. My kids' fingerprints just get all over that, but I do like the way it lights up. Now when it comes to storage in the front here, you can fit 2 cups in the central console. A reusable or a disposable coffee cup fit in there nicely. In front of them is this great hidden phone charging section. So you just lift this flap up and you've got 2 phone chargers there, and they fit really nicely. You can cover it back up and then you can't see that in there, which is great. The central console box is quite small, but it's ample. The glove box is a good size. That would fit my wallet with the manual. And the door bins are a good size in the front. Again, they're lined like the rear ones, so nothing in there will rattle while you're driving, which is a really good feature. A refillable water bottle and an iPad and wallet fit in there too. Storage in the back of the Volkswagen Tiguan is very good. There's a fold down in the central seat back. Out of the end of there comes 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a kid's drink cup fits in them too. And there's a little bit of table there for a phone or something like that. On the back of both front seats, at the top of them there are little pockets that will fit mobile phones, or there are mat pockets as well that will hold and conceal an iPad. The door bins are really good size in the back, and they're lined, so anything you put in there doesn't make a banging, rattling noise, which is great news. Water bottle will fit in there, and you can also squeeze another water bottle or cup in there as well. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Volkswagen Tiguan, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs that are nice and easy to connect to through the boot. Now I could fit 3 child seats across in the back here, which is fantastic news for families that need to. Whether you're regularly using 2 child seats and you just want to be able to add that 3rd one on occasion, or if you need to use 3 all the time, you know you can. We've got 2 forward facing and a rear facing in the back here, and with the rear facing infant capsule we could fit about a 176 centimetre driver in front of it, which is really good. When you've got forward facing child seats, a 184 centimetre driver can easily fit in front. Now the footwell in the back does have quite a large hump in the central seat footwell, so any passenger sitting there will need to straddle it with their legs. Passengers in the back of the Volkswagen Tiguan are kept nice and comfortable with aircon vents in the back of the central console box, so you can keep your rear passengers at the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also charging sockets in the back of the central console box, so rear passengers can charge devices while travelling too. Now there are handles above both of the rear doors, so you can hang a little toy from there to keep little ones occupied on long journeys. There's also lights above both of the rear doors, so you can see in to do up harnesses and seat belts at night. And there are little coat hooks on the side pillars as well. Now when it comes to safety, the Volkswagen Tiguan has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 88% for child occupancy and 83% for adult occupancy. And it has 7 airbags as standard, including side curtain airbags that extend to the second row passengers. The media system in the Volkswagen Tiguan has this lovely big media screen, which is fantastic. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily access your phone and apps and things while driving. The media system itself is really nice and easy to navigate. Lovely big screen, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. So you control the aircon through here. You've also got the rear aircon controls in there as well, and you can lock those too, which is really good, so little fingers don't fiddle with them. Also in here you've got the sound, so you can go in and change everything you want in here and customize it to how you like, which is really good, especially when you've got kids that are a bit noise sensitive. Now you can go into the vehicle settings and status and just see everything that's going on in there and customize that to how you like. Within these settings here, this is how you change a lot of the things about the vehicle to your likings. And in here you've got your ADAS as well, so you can change and turn on and off the things that you do and don't like. Now you've also got a shortcut to aircon controls along the bottom of the screen there as well, and they stay there all the time, so that's really handy. When you put it in reverse, the camera image is not there. The camera image fills this lovely big screen. It is ever so slightly pixelated, but not too bad. You can turn the parking sensors on and off with the button there. Now also you can just click on the screen here to see all the views around you as well, which is fantastic. And you've got different angles there too. The Volkswagen Tiguan is a really nice car to drive. It feels very mature, very grounded, very solid on the road. It's lovely and smooth and quiet. Now, it is quite cushioned from the outside noise, so engine and road and wind noise is really minimal. And you really notice a difference in this to in other cars that don't have that, so it's really good. Now, visibility is very good in here. Even with 3 child seats installed in the back, I can see straight out of that rear windscreen, which is really surprising. And the cameras are also very good, so when you're parking and manoeuvring, really nice and easy. It's not a big car, so it makes it even easier. The steering's nice and light, so again, just lovely and easy to manoeuvre around town and in tight kind of multi-storey car parks. So to sum up with the Volkswagen Tiguan, it does make a great little family car. You can fit those 3 child seats across really nicely in the back, with room for about a 176cm driver in front of a rear-facing child seat. Boot space is really good in here. You can fit that Thule Urban Glide 3 double pram in the boot, which is fantastic for families with 2 young siblings. The drive is really refined in here, really grounded, just feels really solid and smooth on the road. And the cameras on the media system are really good too.